In this lesson, we'll be learning about comments. A comment is a piece of text that is marked so that the computer does not run it. It can be used to help somebody else understand your code, or even help you to keep your own code clear. To write a comment, you need to write a hashtag, like so, and then you can write any text which you want to write in front of the hashtag. I'm going to write, "This is a comment." When we run this, you'll see that nothing appears because this line was skipped over. Note that you can also write a comment ahead of the code, like so. If I write a print, that just simply prints hello. You'll see that it prints hello without any error because this part of the code is skipped. Now, let's move on to using it in actual code. First, I'm going to initialize the variables a and b. A is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Above these two variables, we can make a comment saying that we are initializing the variables. Below, we're going to print both a and b separately. So here we will write a comment saying that we are printing a and b. When we click run, you see that both the values 10 and 5 appear, but the comments, they don't appear. See you in the next lesson.